Divorce can shake not just your personal life, but your financial world too. If you're facing this challenging transition, you're not alone. Around 40 to 50% of marriages in the US end in divorce, each with its own financial hurdles. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, divorce can become a fresh financial start. Welcome to Divorce and Money, 7 Steps to Financial Freedom. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps to protect your financial interests and plan for long-term security. Whether you're in the middle of a divorce or rebuilding post-divorce, this guide is your roadmap to financial independence. The decisions you make now will shape your financial future for years to come. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Step 1 on your journey to financial freedom after divorce is gathering and organizing all your financial information. This might feel tedious, but it's crucial. Think of it as creating a financial snapshot of your marriage. Start by collecting these key documents. 1. Bank statements, joint and individual. 2. Credit card statements. 3. Mortgage or rental agreements. 4. Investment and retirement account statements. 5. Recent pay stub and tax returns on 3 to 5 years. 6. A list of all assets, property, vehicles, valuable items. 7. Documentation of debts. 8. Insurance policies. Pro tip: don't forget digital assets like cryptocurrency or online payment accounts. Now, organize these documents. Use a filing system, physical or digital, that works for you. A spreadsheet can help summarize your findings. Why is this step important? It gives you a clear picture of your finances, essential for fair negotiations and future planning. Plus, having this info ready can save time and legal fees. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Next up, we'll talk about protecting your immediate financial interests. But first, start gathering those documents today. Now that you've gathered your financial information, it's time for step 2, protecting your immediate financial interests. This is crucial to avoid financial surprises and secure your position moving forward. First, open new individual bank and credit card accounts in your name only. This establishes financial independence and ensures you have access to your funds. Next, change passwords on all digital financial accounts, including banking, investments, and even email if passwords were shared. Update beneficiaries on your insurance and retirement accounts. Remove your soon-to-be ex-spouse unless legally required to keep them. Check your credit report carefully. Consider freezing your credit to prevent new accounts in your name. Look for joint accounts or debts you may have forgotten. For joint accounts, discuss freezing or closing them with your spouse, or at least set up alerts for large transactions. Pro tip: start setting aside money in your new individual account, even small amounts. Automating this can help build a financial cushion. These actions aren't about being sneaky. They're about protecting yourself and establishing financial independence. Always consult your divorce attorney before making major financial moves. By doing this, you're securing your financial future. Next, we'll dive into dividing assets and debts, but for now, focus on securing your financial foundation. Step 3 is often the most complex part of divorce finances: understanding and dividing assets and debts. Let's break it down. Marital property is typically anything acquired during the marriage, while separate property is what you owned before marriage or inherited individually. But these lines can blur, so consult your attorney for your state specifics. Next, create a comprehensive list of assets and debts, including real estate, vehicles, bank accounts, investments, retirement accounts, business interests, personal property, credit card debts, mortgages, and loans. Asset division isn't always 50-50, it depends on your state laws and circumstances. Don't forget these often overlooked items: pension plans, stock options, future bonuses, frequent flyer miles, country club memberships. For the family home, you have 3 options. 1. Sell and split the proceeds. 2. One spouse buys out the other 3. Co-own temporarily. Each option has pros and cons, so consider your long-term financial picture. For debts, remember, Creditors aren't bound by your divorce agreement. If your name is on a debt, you're still liable. Paying off joint debts before finalizing the divorce can save headaches later. Pro tip: get professional valuations for significant assets like businesses or real estate. The goal is fair division that sets both of you up for financial success post-divorce. Next, we'll cover creating your post-divorce budget. But for now, focus on understanding all assets and debts. Now that you've divided assets and debts, it's time for step 4. Creating your post-divorce budget, your financial roadmap for this new chapter. Start by calculating your new income, including your salary or wages, alimony or child support, investment income. Then list all expenses, including housing, rent and mortgage, utilities, maintenance, transportation, car payments, insurance, gas, food, healthcare, personal expenses, clothing, entertainment, debt payments, savings and investments. Factor in any new post-divorce expenses like health insurance, if you were on your ex's plan, new household items, legal fees. Now, compare income to expenses. If there's a deficit, look for areas to cut back or ways to increase income. Pro tip: use the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debt. Remember, this budget isn't set in stone. Review and adjust it regularly as life changes. Creating a realistic budget sets you up for financial stability and peace of mind. Next, we'll cover planning for long-term financial security. But for now, start crafting that budget. Your future self will thank you. With your immediate finances in order, it's time for step 5, planning for long-term financial security. This step is all about setting yourself up for a stable and prosperous future. First, reassess your retirement goals. Divorce may mean splitting retirement assets, so you might need to increase your retirement contributions, adjust your expected retirement age, rethink your investment strategy, and review your insurance coverage. Get your own health insurance if needed. Adjust life insurance policies and beneficiaries. Consider disability insurance to protect your income. Build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' living expenses as a safety net while you navigate your new financial landscape. If you received a settlement or assets, work with a financial advisor to invest wisely. Avoid letting emotion drive your financial decisions. For those paying or receiving alimony or child support, consider how it impacts your long-term finances and retirement plans. Pro tip: a Roth IRA offers tax-free growth and can be a great way to boost your retirement savings, especially if you're starting over later in life. It's never too late to secure your financial future. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant results over time. Next, we'll cover rebuilding your credit and financial identity. But for now, start thinking long-term. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. Step 6 is all about rebuilding your credit and establishing a new financial identity. Crucial for your future financial health and independence. First, focus on your credit score. Pull your credit report from all 3 major bureaus and check for joint accounts still open, debts that should have been transferred to your ex, errors or fraudulent activity. Dispute any issues with the credit bureaus immediately. To build positive credit, pay bills on time, every time. Keep credit card balances below 30% of your limit. Consider a secured credit card if you're rebuilding. Avoid closing old accounts unless necessary. Length of credit history impacts your score. Now establish your financial identity. Update your name on financial accounts if needed, and create a new budget reflecting your single income and expenses. Set new financial goals aligned with your post-divorce life. Set up automatic payments to ensure timely bill payments and build a positive history. Pro tip: if you had little credit history during your marriage, consider becoming an authorized user on a trusted family member's credit card. It can boost your score quickly. Remember, rebuilding credit takes time. Be patient and consistent. It will pay off in better loan terms and more financial opportunities. Next, we'll discuss investing in your financial education and future. But for now, focus on establishing your financial identity. You're not just rebuilding credit, you're rebuilding your financial future. We've reached our final step, investing in your financial education and future. This is about empowering yourself with knowledge and setting the stage for long-term success. First, commit to ongoing financial education. Read personal finance books or blogs. Attend workshops or webinars. Follow reputable financial advisors online. Next, consider working with a financial advisor, especially one experienced in post-divorce finances. They can help you. Develop a comprehensive financial plan. Make informed investment decisions. Explore new financial opportunities. Start a side hustle to increase income. Invest in further education or skills training. Consider investment options you hadn't explored before. Set both short and long-term goals, like paying off debt within a year, saving for a new home, planning for a comfortable retirement. Pro tip: create a vision board for your financial future. Visualizing your goals can be a powerful motivator. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey. Stay curious, keep learning, and never hesitate to ask questions. You've been through a major life change, but you're not just surviving, you're preparing to thrive. By investing in your financial education, you're investing in a secure, brighter future. Congratulations on completing all 7 steps. You now have the tools to navigate post-divorce finances with confidence. Every financial decision you make is a step toward your new future. As we wrap up our journey through Divorce and Money, 7 Steps to Financial Freedom, let's take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. We've covered a lot of ground. 1. Gathering and organizing your financial information. 2. Protecting your immediate financial interests. 3. Understanding and dividing assets and debts. 4. Creating a post-divorce budget. 5. Planning for long-term financial security. 6. Rebuilding your credit and financial identity. 7. Investing in your financial education and future. Remember, divorce is not just an end, it's also a beginning. It's an opportunity to reset your financial life and create the future you want. Each step you take, no matter how small, is moving you towards financial independence and security. Be patient with yourself. Financial recovery after divorce is a process, not an event. If you're feeling overwhelmed, that's okay. Take it one step at a time, and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it, whether from a financial advisor, a therapist, or supportive friends and family. You have the power to shape your financial future. Armed with these strategies and your own determination, you're well equipped to face whatever financial challenges come your way. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial empowerment. Remember, your best financial days may still be ahead of you. Here's to your bright financial future.